Jacobsen Salt is an incredible company that's local to me. It's created by a man, it was created by Ben Jacobsen, who would drive down to Netarts Beach on the Oregon coast to collect seawater, dry it out, get the salt out of it, and then start creating some of the most amazing salts that exist. Standard Jacobsen salt is incredible, but the flavors really level it up. And this habanero salt does not disappoint at all. It has the wonderful thick flake of all the Jacobsen sea salts. It is simply sea salt from the Oregon coast. Really, really fantastic quality, and the habanero flavor in this pops. Really nice flavor that you can build upon. Now, we put this on basically everything, but I would say that I specifically love it on meats. Putting it on a pork chop or steak is just so standout. It's also really great for margarita rims, just fantastic all around. So if you are looking at this salt, definitely get it. You're gonna love it. Jacobsen Habanero Salt.